We're fixing a brake lever with a spare one we got laying around. Little metallic. We noticed that this was like being a pain to collapse on the track. Basically go like this. It was squeaking, doing a whole bunch of noise. Move a little bit and after some waterproof grease, PJ1 cable lube sponsor me.
Lean turn, don't know about you, I need mine. Say get guap, no he line. Below the guap, he be mine. You ain't get money, be quiet. Ain't never seen you outside. Want to keep my shoes tied.
He's out right now. PJ1 cable lube sponsor me.
You see the 12, I'm telling no lies. I got a shirt in my jeans, number 9. I'm with 18 and she ain't fine. Nigga be cat, gotta read the signs. Face can't see the time. Don't wanna race this beam of flying. These niggas push their feet line. Shawty got brains, she read minds.
Got to, you know, grind that down a little bit. We got the clutch on there. Nice. The thing is squeezed. Let's see that thing. Look, nice. He said it was even giving him a little bit more traction.
Yeah, I think it's a
And then we got this thing flipping. Look.
You know that it's a real planet. I got the rest, I didn't plan it.
He's got a little spring in there that locks it. But, you know, other than that, I got it all set nice.